Are you worried about AI taking your job? Feeling the pressure to constantly reskill? Or worse, wondering if your career has an expiration date? What if I told you that the future of work isn't about AI replacing humans, but about humans becoming irreplaceable? Welcome to the Business Training Media Professional Development Series. In today's video, we're diving deep into why AI will never replace these 7 core skills. Get ready to feel excited about your future, because these are the human superpowers that no algorithm can truly replicate. First up, emotional intelligence. AI can process data, recognize patterns, and even mimic sentiment, but it cannot genuinely feel or understand the nuances of human emotion. Think about a therapist truly connecting with a patient's pain, a leader motivating a discouraged team with genuine empathy, or a salesperson building deep trust with a client. These moments require profound self-awareness, emotional regulation, and social awareness that AI simply doesn't possess. It's about reading between the lines, sensing unspoken feelings, and responding with authentic compassion. Next, let's talk about critical thinking. While AI can analyze vast data sets and identify correlations, it struggles with true, independent, and nuanced reasoning, especially when context is ambiguous or ethical dilemmas are involved. Imagine a judge interpreting a complex legal case, a doctor diagnosing a rare illness with conflicting symptoms, or a strategist navigating an unprecedented market shift. These situations demand the ability to question assumptions, evaluate unreliable information, and synthesize disparate ideas into novel solutions, skills that go beyond mere data processing. It's about connecting dots that aren't obvious and challenging the status quo. Up next is creativity and innovation. Yes, AI can generate art, music, and text, but it does so by remixing existing data. It doesn't experience genuine inspiration, breakthrough aha moments, or the drive to create something truly novel that defies current patterns. Consider a groundbreaking inventor, a visionary architect designing a never-before-seen structure, or a chef crafting a completely new culinary experience. These roles require a spark of human ingenuity, the courage to experiment, and the ability to think entirely outside the box, pushing boundaries in ways AI cannot initiate. Then there's adaptability and resilience. The world is constantly changing, and humans have an unparalleled ability to not just react, but to truly adapt and bounce back stronger from adversity. AI operates based on program parameters. It doesn't learn from failure in the same human sense of emotional growth or pivot strategically when faced with unforeseen, chaotic circumstances. Think about a startup founder navigating multiple pivots, a frontline worker adjusting to a sudden crisis, or an individual thriving after a major career change. This requires mental fortitude, emotional flexibility, and the unique human capacity to learn and evolve from lived experience. Our 5th core skill is leadership. Leading people isn't just about giving instructions or optimizing tasks. It's about inspiring, motivating, and guiding humans through uncertainty. AI can manage projects, but it can't build genuine trust, foster a shared vision, or inspire loyalty in the way a human leader can. Think of a CEO rallying their company during tough times, a team lead mediating a complex interpersonal conflict, or a mentor shaping the next generation of talent. These roles demand charisma, intuition, and the ability to connect on a deeply human level. Following that, we have interpersonal skills and relationship building. AI can simulate conversations, but it lacks the genuine ability to build rapport, understand social cues, or navigate complex group dynamics. Consider a diplomat negotiating a peace treaty, a community organizer uniting diverse groups, or a sales professional building long-term client relationships based on mutual respect. These interactions rely on subtle nonverbal cues, shared experiences, and the innate human desire for connection that AI cannot replicate. And finally, moral judgment and ethics. This is perhaps the most critical. While AI can be programmed with ethical guidelines, it cannot truly grapple with complex moral dilemmas, understand the nuances of right and wrong in unforeseen situations, or bear the weight of ethical responsibility. Think about a doctor making life or death decisions, a journalist deciding what information to publish for the public good, or a CEO making a decision that impacts thousands of lives. These situations demand a moral compass, empathy for consequences, and a sense of accountability that is uniquely human. The message is clear. The future of work isn't about competing with AI, but about amplifying what makes us uniquely human. These 7 core skills are your ultimate advantage in an evolving world. If you're ready to sharpen your professional skills and truly future-proof your career, we've gathered top courses from leading experts to help you tackle career and other workplace challenges. You can find all the links in the description below to start your journey today. Visit us online at businesstrainingmedia.com, where you'll find a wide selection of online courses on leadership, emotional intelligence, critical thinking, and other topics, as well as free articles, video guides, career resources, and more. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, and share. We wish you the best of luck in your journey.